welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting video because we are going to check the reliability of a Mazda. And when you talk about reliability, the first thing comes to your mind, how is the servicing, right? So my car is at 10,000 kilometers today, and I am going to take this car for its first major service. So we look at how Mazda treats us in terms of the servicing, but let me give you some numbers before we start. So Mazda is ranked above Toyota when it comes to reliability in some indexes and some surveys, while in some surveys it is actually rated as close as what a Toyota is rated. So with that into perspective, it really makes sense for us to see whether a Mazda is actually that reliable or not. So let's look at it. I will show you the dashboard, and then let's go to the service center and get the car serviced and see how it is, what's the experience like, what do they tell me about everything about the car, and how has the car been. So we'll talk about all of that. Before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. And now let's get into it. So we have our Mazda over here. If you see the dashboard, we are at 10,122. And my car is on the service, so it is 0 day, and we are going to give my car for a service. It's 8:45 in the morning, so let's go. Let's give the car for a nice service, and let's see how they treat us, and then we can talk about the other things. So let's go. So guys, we have reached the Mazda showroom, and I'm just going to turn the... So this is how it is. Going into the service reception. So let's do that. We are a little late. Hopefully they will take us. So you can see that they are all the Mazda cars over here. And there you go. Just going to park it here. The good part is, the 360-degree cameras, they really help when you want to park your car. It really helps. So that is something which is there. Okay, so now I'm here. I will go inside, I will do some paperwork, and then I will come and give you an update on what's going to happen. So guys, the service appointment has been accepted. I'm going to clear a few things in my car, and then after I discuss with the guy, I will again tell you guys what the update is. But yes, it has been accepted. So even though I'm late, Mazda has been nice and they are accepting my car. So the car has been accepted for service, and now it's going. The person is taking it. Car is now gone. So the servicing and everything is over there, and I am now going to leave my car and come back after 2 hours, and we'll see at that time what exactly they do with the car. So there's a lot of Mazdas over there. So far so good. So I gave the car, and as you could see that the cars are getting washed over there, so it's going to go there. I do have a service contract, and Mazda is true to its service contract. That means I do not have to spend a single penny on oil, my oil filter, nothing. So this is going to be a minor service, and in the minor service it's going to have a oil change and an oil filter change. Apart from that, they will just wash the car and check everything. I did tell them that when I do sharp turns, there is some noise which comes on the suspension, which is not very bad. It's something which could be the tire as well. So they said that they're going to tighten the suspensions, and this was just to see what Mazda says and does about it. So very nice, very receptive. I really liked the way they handled the situation, and they even allowed me when I was late. So now I will cut to when I come and pick up the car again, and it's not going to take more than 2 hours, which is absolutely amazing. So Mazda, I like Mazda so far. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I am back at the service center and the car is over there. If you can see it, it's right there. So let's go. I've got my things also with me, which I took from the car. The car looks nice. Let me shift to the back camera and show you. So this is the service center. All these cars are probably done and this is the car. So they have done a good job. It looks absolutely clean and nice. Let me go to the front and show you guys. So this is how it is. Looks really nice. So I spoke to them. They did resolve the query. They said that they have fixed the shock absorber, so it will not make any noise now. Now open it, and this is how Mazda has given me my car. I'm going to remove this so that we can see. The keys are over here, and this is how it looks. I think they have done a good job. They have cleaned the car as well. Let's look at the hood. So this is how the car looks. It looks absolutely clean and nice. They have done a good job. It all looks very, very new and nice. So now I have shut it and we can go, be on our way. So I'm in the car. They have done everything and it looks absolutely good. They have though reset my trip, which is something which I didn't like, and it's not been driven anything. It is as what I had left it at. And the car looks good. Now let's go for a drive and let's see how it is. But overall, I think Mazda is exceptional in their service so far. I'm very impressed with the way they have conducted the entire day. And they said 2 hours and they were ready in 2 hours. So that is amazing. Actually, before 2 hours. So fantastic job, Mazda. Now let's take a test drive and see whether the issues have been fixed, and if it has. It is amazing. They also interchanged my tires, so they rotated my tires, which is also amazing, and they do it as a standard in their service. Also, as I said earlier, I had taken a service contract, so I did not have to pay anything. I don't have a bill with me, nothing. So I came here, gave my car, and I am gone. The oil has been changed, the oil filter has been changed, and this was a minor service, as I said, so all of that has been taken care of. Now let's do the test drive and then we go ahead with the final review. Okay, so now we go ahead with the test drive. Okay, hopefully everything is working properly. So yeah, in the first turn only I can feel the difference, that the suspensions feel much more tighter and firmer. So that's good. I mean, not in the sense that if it goes over like a bad patch of road, it's going to feel really bad in the cabin. But that's not what I'm saying. I'm trying to say that there is no play in the suspensions at all. They feel extremely firm and nice, so which is a good thing. So yes, success. I think it is fantastic that Mazda listens to their customers, delivers fast. I can say that the reliability factor, at least with respect to the servicing, is top notch. So well done, Mazda. And now after I park the car, I will give you guys the final review of how the things were. Okay, so the car is back now, and I think it has done really well. They have done a good job. Mazda is amazing, and I truly appreciate their reliability and service initiative. Fabulous work over there. So good stuff, Mazda. And now here we end the video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comment section, and I will respond to all of them. And as usual, thanks for watching.